Hi, to make a split screen on your OnePlus Nord 3, we would need to go in the settings first. Here, just scroll a bit to go in the special features and after that select the split view. So now you can see some on-screen instructions on how to make split view. As a first step, make sure that this feature is enabled, and now you can swipe up with 3 fingers to enter this view. But you need to open any app first. For example, let's open Google Chrome, and now we can swipe up with 3 fingers and choose another app, for example, YouTube. And now you can just use these 2 apps at the same time. You can also tap on the 3 dots and swap sides, or you can drag this line and make it as a floating window, or you can resize it. So just do wherever you want, and you can use 2 apps at the same time. As for another option, you can enable sidebar to make split screen. For that, let's return in the settings, special features as before, go in the smart sidebar and enable it by tapping on the switcher. And now you'll see this line appears on the right side of your screen. You just need to swipe it left, and here you can see the list of apps you can use. Now to make a split screen, you just need to hold an app and drag it onto the screen, but just be sure that this app supports split screen view. And now we need to select another app, so let's do it. And here is the split view. So we can also drag the line and reorder them, resize, something like that, and make it as a floating window which we can drag anywhere across the screen. We can tap on these arrows and it will be on a full screen. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.